Alright, let's stop. We can't have a sing off. Not during this time. Don't jump back in. Nah, you need to calm down, buddy. Think about your health. We fighting over food? Relinquish the apple. Ooh,
you ran.
right.
Ooh.
Ran like a hoe.
I grew hungry and went home.
Just Kobeni and Makamo, of course. Oh yeah, Makabo, the dude that quit.
Ooh.
That was a big loss. And Powie. I don't care about you, only the fruit.
Yeah. Everybody gets fruit whenever they're in the hospital.
We're taking your apples.
For being butts. A victim. We'll take all
we just
your
lost
fruit.
friends. Him in particular. That was his sister. Himano. Throw that. What are you good for?
I mean, it got kind of a big dub. What? Ooh, wait.
The hell with fruits at this moment.
For real, I need a cig. Cuz.
Might as well smoke my life away.
Oh, that's fire. Wow, that animation took me there.
Yeah, that was clean.
Aww. I came back from
Of course he is. More than work buddies. Yeah, her. That chick. Life's been hard. Right.
A little bit.
Nope. Right, I need to grab some titties. He's becoming a fiend.
Yeah. He's definitely more on his fiend side today. I was about to kill that sing off, bruh.
You was about to kill yourself.
COVID popped up out of nowhere.
Coughed up a lung.
I got a mute button and it works.
Oh, the one that introduced Aki to Himano? Yeah, with the scar on his face.
I was gonna say old head, but he ain't that much older.
Shut the hell up, I'm warning Himano. Mm-hmm.
Mine.
Ooh. Like that. Ooh. Can't have feelings in this business. I knew you'd love them.
Oh man.
That's my pleasure.
He just broke both their backs.
Got him like Damon. And Friday after next.
Hey, we got to care about each other. Yeah, that's real. That's right. I'm feeling you.
Go to sleep. Teacher loves you. Right, it's science.
Your own?
Y'all can heal up.
Oh. I'm playing with new toys.
Right. Right, you gotta step your hands up. She want answers. I'm drunk now.
Period.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna keep holding y'all. Hunting? We gotta fight back. A three-piece. Hi, hi.
With the beat to it. Oh.
Another one. For the guzzler. Through and through.
This ain't no game. You ain't waking up unless I say so.
Mostly.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm living my best life. I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna torture y'all today.
Get them some blood, man.
Now y'all gotta soak in this ale. Y'all gotta hold this one for a while.
Oh, what happened?
Not coming back. After that last experience.
He got ate up all the way to death? Oh. Oh,
she'll
man.
be back. Time to retire.
He's the worst coaches ever.
Body parts. Right. How do you find devils to contract with?
Devil to work with somewhere.
Yeah. Till the death. Makima?
No way.
Not with those shoes on. Might be one of Himeno's relatives. Yeah. What are we going through?
Oh, we. Heal.
Right, I can't lose you. She loves him.
Oh my gosh, I hate her love. It's painful.
He was in a shadow round, bro. He wasn't gonna make it. At least. They got worked out there today, bro. Dang. Did he go chainsaw against them?
He had to, bro.
Cause you ain't that. Yeah.
Now he shall be our plaything.
Oh, bringing the smoke to us? He's pulling up. The matching glasses. Oh, it's really about to go down. We got traps like Home Alone. We're ready, bro.
Already at the door. Yeah, send it through the door.
Oh, that's so fire.
Ooh, he
Dang,
dodged.
he dodged it.
Freak.
She tried to kill him. She tried to kill him. They got traps, bro, for real. You just stand there. All this weight. Ooh,
Yeah,
that's fire.
get him, girl.
This is so creative.
There you go.
Come here, bro.
What?
Oh, what was that?
Roundhouse your whole face. Knocked off your glasses. Your best effort.
He's proud of him.
You're doing good.
He's proud. Send another one through the door. What happened?
Oh, she used too much blood. That's all we had for him.
Hey, some respect today. Power needs some blood.
We're good. Oh, I'm playing with you. Y'all thought it was over? Y'all thought I was a nice guy?
Just on the way out the door. That's how he said goodbye.
Come here. Y'all gotta see me.
No. We must have a stronger devil on standby.
Well, we're taking that elevator to the gateway. Oh, they're locked up. They're locked up.
We got a lot of them, huh?
Wow.
Just on standby.
Oh, she was bad.
Right, mind your own business.
Oh, Himeno's younger sister. Well, how are they fighting?
You might get a bargain.
We only got 2 years to work with. And body parts, I guess.
Gonna lock him in there with him in his cell.
The future devil. Why they ended like that?
Well done.
Oh, Makima definitely set them up for failure. Our teacher is brutal. Power was keeping count of how many times Denji died that day. How many times have I died? 20 for sure. Then again, I've lost count because you was probably dying when I was unconscious a couple of times, so I really can't tell you. I know I saw you die about 20 times, me myself, but 'tis not a prediction I can make, bruh, man. They were so adorable the next day. They had their glasses on, barefoot. They said the future devil took somebody's eyes, sense of smell, and taste. That dude that sold his soul, he's probably the guy. He's out there walking around like Fuji.
Yeah.
Dang, you can't taste nothing. You can't smell nothing. Sound like he gave his eyes up and got COVID instead. Aki doesn't have much to lose. He's only got 2 years left. It's like the curse is on his shoulder like Ryuk or something, like the Shinigami. Can tell how many years he has left. I wonder how many years he had before he fought Katana Man.
It's the source of my name, and the difference between us and scale is so vividly obvious. While in the studio, I become Uberage, and then I start treating the beat like the mafia. You think Daenerys just holler Jakartas, cause fire's proceeding from Heatah's esophagus. Me and my partners all represent Charlotte, the city that's North Carolina's metropolis. And we've been patiently waiting to display our greatness, showcasing our lyrical dominance. And to be